In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use credit card for the first time. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up, activate, and use any credit card that you have. In this video, I'm going to be giving you general instructions on the activation process and how to use a credit card. Now, keep in mind that for this video, I'm going to give you general instructions. What I mean is that every single card issuer is going to have specific instructions that you must follow. However, for this video, I cannot cover every single card issuer out there. So with these general instructions, you will be able to follow them and determine how to activate your specific credit card. So whenever you receive a physical credit card, usually on the letter, there will be a sticker or some sort of indication on how to activate that card. In this example here, it is printed directly into the card. So as you can see, you must activate your card before you're using it. To activate, please call this number. So this is going to be the primary way to activate your card, by calling the bank. In the call, you will be able to provide the necessary details to get this process done. The secondary most popular way to activate the cards is through an ATM. So you go to an ATM, you set up your PIN, and you load balance into the card. After this is done, you are ready to use it. And another popular way is going to be through any sort of mobile application that the bank has. So an example would be Bank of America. For this specific card, you have to download the application, sign into your account, and under your cards on your account, you will be able to find the activate option when you choose a specific debit or credit card. And you simply have to follow the instructions and provide the necessary details. Usually, it is going to be some form of combination of the numbers on the card itself. And if you are unsure on all of this, then you can just call the bank and ask for instructions. Once you go through the activation process then you are good to go. Now you can proceed to check out on any physical location, so present your card to the cashier. The cashier will either swipe, insert, or tap your card on the card reader. You will be able to enter your PIN and confirm the transaction amount. If you are making purchases online, you can proceed to checkout, choose the option to pay using a credit card, and input the necessary details. I hope I was able to help you on how to use credit card for the first time. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.